Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome. I am back with another video for the co-op game we're making. Co-op action RPG, whatever you want to call it. Let's get into it. We're working on the AI enemies and their behavior functionality. So we have some stuff to fix here from the last video. So firstly, he only attacked once, right? Because I removed the delay we input in the last video. So we need, because that was just a thingy. And also we have this error that we need to fix, access none. So what is happening here? In the last video we implemented this event called set attack rotate. It's an animation state. Since the animation itself is replicated, the state replicates to all the clients as well, and the reason we're getting this error is because this is a non-replicated variable, and once this tries to replicate for the clients, it doesn't actually have that current target variables. That's why it's giving us an error. So here we need to do, we can actually do it at the beginning, this entire function. Switch has authority, so we only call this if we actually have authority. Meaning if we are on the server. So this variable only exists on the server, so we're gonna get an error if that is the error. Perfect. If we go back to our utility tick, this, I'm gonna change this to some kind of like scoring function later. But we need another variable for, or not another variable, but you see, if the distance is less than 200, and if we are not currently attacking, we're gonna go to attacking. So the issue then becomes that we never back to not attacking if we don't have this, and it's not a very nice solution with you don't really want delays because they can cause issues further down the line once your code gets complicated. Like this, I wouldn't necessarily say this is the best solution. Likely you would not do this and you would just keep using the tick function. It's likely what we actually on, we can just do like this, I believe. On success, done. That should give us back, get us back to yeah, no, sorry. The delay is for the character to actually chill for it. Let's keep the delay for now, but I have ideas to fix that. Or I have ways we can do that. But this is probably what we work with. Because we have some situations where we know we don't really want to check for new actions. So this, let's remove this from here. Behavior graph. Just make a function. Make a new function. toggle utility tick timer. We're gonna paste this in here. Promote this to a variable. Call it utility timer handle. Actually, we can keep this on the beginning. And this will be rotator. Or let's do. So if a pause, we're gonna pause the timer. So basically what these timer handles do is they, exactly as it sounds, they handle the specific timer. You could do clear and invalidate timer by handle, but that completely stops it. We just want to, and then we have to call the entire tick timer again. But with this, we can just pause the timer and unpause timer by handle. So if it's true, pause. If it's untrue, we don't pause. So let's make a new state. State pause utility tick. And in this BPI MPC, call toggle utility tick. Interface. Go back to our mission track by state pause utility tick. So while we are in a attack animation, let's look for new actions. To set the actual state up. So in begin notify state, we will do call pause all toggle the tick. And in the end, unpause it. So that means it's utility tick. Side action, we no longer need this check. This check was in here because we didn't want to attack if we are already attacking. But with that state, it means that timer is ticking when we're attacking anyway. It's paused when we attack anyway, so we won't try to attack again. But once the first attack is finished, That was not true. Paused. Unpaused. Ah, yeah. I need to add the interface as well. Let's see. Event call toggle tick. Oh, let's see. Interesting. Yes, because I need to actually have this timer set. Otherwise, we're trying to pause a timer that is never set, so we're not pausing anything. So now let's see. There we go. Perfect. And ideally, like the reason this doesn't really look as nice as it could is once again we are using free animations, but ideally you would have, because you see that's a very static tag animation, right? Ideally what you would have and what most games have is you would have an animation. It's the same with this, right, as well, but you would likely have an animation that has a few steps forward, and then you would also increase the range. So maybe we should do that. If we go into the master MC, tilt tick, see less than 200. Let's increase this to 350. Let's see how far. Three. Oh. Good. Let's do 300. And in this attack animation, I'm not sure if this has root motion. Looks like it has. You can see the red thing, so that means it's actually moving root. So that means that we should be able to just do like this. Disable this. Select the root bone, make a keyframe here. This is just for, yeah, obviously you won't have this animation anyways, it doesn't really matter, but just show you how to modify animation. So I want to go from here, then at the end of the root, I'm gonna go forward a bit. guess we will see if this animation has fruit motion now, because if it doesn't, the character will snap back. It's fine. Guess we can do a aggressive tracing and maybe start it a bit earlier. I mean, I guess this is fine for now. This is not the nicest animations, but it works. Does it actually work? Maybe I should actually use the master character. Let's just try how that looks. Get just want to see if we actually update it during. It's probably better actually. Yeah, because now you can see you're actually trying to rotate a bit better. Let's do like that. An issue on my end. Only ever reached half of it, I believe. Yeah, that's better. Not too aggressive, but a little bit of tracing the attack. It's actually better. So we're gonna go back to our NPC. Let's have two functions. So we will probably need this in the future anyway. To set to a specific location. Want to copy all of this. NPC attack rotate. This I'm not on input. Just gonna do get target rotation. This will always be the attack rotation function. Server. Here, and I'm gonna gather them, so we have rotation functions for setting rotation and attack rotation. Go. Gonna increase the duration a little bit so we get a little more aggressive. It's not worth it to. Well, it does. It kind of does. Does it? Now I'm gonna change it. Let's try how this looks. Gonna trace during the actual swing. Maybe not. It looks better, but it's very aggressive for tracing. Something like we're using the wrong functions, I realized, so maybe that's stop attack rotation. See how that looks. that's better. Can probably do start something like. Yeah, way better. So still dodgeable, but way better. Yep, that's perfect. That turned out quite well. Yep, I think that's fine. Coolio. That's gonna be it for this one. I will see you in the next one. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Consider becoming a patron to get the project files, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!